And we're at Apex, and you've invited us into your booth. I really appreciate it. Could you just tell our audience a little bit about your company?
The name of the company is ProParts. We've been in business since March of 2020. We handle radiators, condensers, fan assemblies for heavy duty and light trucks.
Well, like us, we started our consulting business at the beginning of January 2020, and we just got started and the pandemic happened.
So we have something in common.
Right away now. We could, after though, we could talk, and I'm sure we've got some stories. So your business has been around just coming up 3 years, and the product that you focus on, give us a little description of that.
We handle automotive cooling products and heavy duty cooling products. That's pretty much what we specialize in. I've been in this business since 1995 for several companies.